Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Rema Tip Top is probably one of the most versatile and reliable brands in the tire and repair industry, offering a wide range of high-quality adhesives, repair patches, and other essential tools for maintaining your tires and wheels in top condition, ensuring safety and extending the lifespan of your vehicle's tires, saving you money and time in the long run, making it a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. Rema Tip Top TT02. This kit is your essential companion for quick and easy bicycle tube repairs, ensuring you're always ready for the road ahead. It contains everything you need: 6 round patches, 1 oval patch, emery paper for surface preparation, and a tube of CFC-free glue. These durable patches provide a reliable seal, ensuring your tire holds air effectively and keeps you rolling. The kit's simple design makes it easy to use, even for beginners. Just follow the instructions for a smooth repair. It comes with a handy carrying case, so you can keep it with you at all times and be prepared for any unexpected punctures. The environmentally friendly glue ensures a strong and long-lasting repair, without harming the environment. What we like. It has everything you need for on-the-go repairs, including different patch shapes and sizes. If you're a cyclist who values convenience and wants a reliable solution for patching tubes, this is the perfect choice for you. It's compact and easy to carry, so you'll always be prepared for flat tires, wherever your ride takes you. What people say. Dependable and reliable German quality. I hate to throw a tube away just because of a tiny hole that can easily be patched and extend the life of the tube. Been using these for many years, work always as expected. Make sure after applying the glue that you wait 5 minutes or so, and that you apply the glue to an area larger than the patch to make sure it is completely vulcanized with the tube. Still the exact same kit I remember from childhood. My dad used these when he raced in the 80s. Gets the job done, and a successful patch will last the life of the tube. These are the only patch kits I will use anymore. They stick, they stay stuck, they hold air, and they last. They even work as a repair boot on the inside of the tire, not the tube. Other boots are short-term solutions, as they shift around. These can be glued to the inside of the tire and stay put. Number 4. Rema Standard Patch Kits. These versatile patch kits are designed for repairing tubes of any size, ensuring a quick and effective fix for your cycling needs. Made with durable, high-quality materials, it provides a long-lasting solution for your tube repairs. The simple design makes it easy to use, even for beginners. Just follow the instructions for a perfect repair. When used with Rema tubular cement, it creates a seamless bond that stretches evenly for an airtight seal. This ensures a reliable and lasting repair. It's suitable for repairing tubes of all sizes, making it a must-have for cyclists of all levels. It offers a reliable and durable solution for your tube repair needs, getting you back on the road quickly. What we like. Its unique design creates an incredibly strong and seamless bond with your tube. If you are looking for a high-quality patch that provides a superior, long-lasting repair, this is it. It works perfectly on any tube size, ensuring a reliable fix every time. Number 3. Rema Tip Top BL-8F. This is Rema Tip Top Special Blue Cement BL-8F, perfect for quick and easy repairs. It's a professional-grade rubber bonding cement, made in the USA. You'll receive an 8-ounce can of special blue cement, complete with a convenient brush top applicator for precise application. It's a cold vulcanizing lubricant, meaning it bonds rubber effectively without heat. Plus, it dries quickly, so you can get back to what you're doing faster. This is a professional-grade product, ensuring superior bonding and long-lasting results. It's made in the USA, so you know you're getting top-notch quality. Simply apply it to the surfaces you want to bond, and let it dry. It's that easy. Its quick-drying formula makes repairs a breeze. It's perfect for those quick fixes around the house or shop. Its cold vulcanizing properties make it ideal for rubber and many other materials. Choose Rema Tip Top BL-8F for reliable, high-quality rubber bonding. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This cement is designed for fast repairs and professional results. If you need a quick fix and value professional-grade quality, this is your best bet. Its cold vulcanizing properties ensure a strong and durable bond, making it ideal for both casual and professional use. Number 2. Rema Tip Top 75N Tire Paste. This is the Rema Tip Top 75N Universal Tire Mounting Paste. It's a professional-grade lubricant, perfect for quick and easy tire mounting. It's made from a non-toxic wax paste, so it's safe for you and the environment. Plus, it's completely biodegradable. This paste comes in a convenient, low-profile pail, making it easy to handle and store. The 7.7-liter size is perfect for professional use. It features a quick-drying formula, so you can get back to work quickly. This saves you time and improves your efficiency. This high-quality tire mounting paste is made in the USA, ensuring superior quality and performance. You can trust it for all your tire mounting needs. This is a professional-grade product, designed for superior performance and reliability. It's the perfect choice for tire shops and mechanics. What we like. It's a user-friendly and environmentally responsible option for tire mounting. If you prioritize ease of use and environmental friendliness, this is the one for you. Its low-profile pail makes storage simple, and its quick-drying formula saves you time. What people say. The paste made it simple to get the tire on the wheel with reduced friction. The biggest advantage of this is that it stays put, wipe it on the tire bead and it doesn't run and thin out like soapy water. Anyone who has been around tires a while knows that Rema Tip Top is the top name in tire care, patches, etc., and they didn't disappoint with this. Number 1. Rema Tip Top RAD110 Patches. These tire patches are designed for quick and easy repairs of punctures in various tire types. It's a versatile solution for keeping you mobile. Each patch measures 2 inches by 2 3/4 inches, making them suitable for a wide range of punctures. They're perfect for small to medium-sized holes. The multi-layer design prevents air leaks and provides superior stability. This ensures a long-lasting and reliable tire repair. It works on passenger, truck, and even industrial radial tires. It's compatible with both hot and cold vulcanization methods. Rema Tip Top is a global leader in tire repair, with a 90-plus year history of quality and performance. Professionals rely on them for a reason. For optimal results, use these patches with Rema Tip Top stem insert, carbide cutter, and special blue cement. This ensures a permanent and reliable repair. What we like. It provides a robust and long-lasting repair for various tire types. If you need a reliable solution for repairing punctures in radial tires, this is a top choice. Its multi-layer design ensures a durable seal, suitable for cars, trucks, and motorcycles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.